Hello, welcome to Web3 Education and Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can claim Para token. So I'm going to show you actually two different ways you can do that. The first method is you can go to the Parallel's website, and if you participate in their crowd node, for example, this is one of my account, and you can see the Para token you are going to get. However, some of them it's a vesting scheme, so some of them they are locked. So you need to wait. So every few seconds you are going to have some Para token unlocked. So how do you claim them? On the website, on the top right, there is a button you can claim, and this is the amount of Para you can claim for now. So it's going to update every few seconds, or maybe around 10 seconds. So you will see the number will be different. This is one way you can do that. However, some of you may have trouble to claim that. There is another way. You can directly go to the JS wallet. So this is my JS wallet. You can see the Para token. Some of them they are locked, right? So you can directly claim here. So now I'm going to show you how you can do that. Now you need to go to the top. There's a developer and the extrinsics. So you will just click that. And then now you need to select the vesting. So you will go find the vesting. So after you select the vesting, there's a method, the claim method. So now what you should do is you just submit the transact. You are going to pay a little bit fee. So this is a mini. So it's not too many Para token you have to pay. And then you just submit and sign. So since I don't have many Para token, I will not do that for now. But after you sign and submit, you should be able to claim the Para token. So overall, that's two different ways you can claim your Para token. If you don't want to miss a video in the future, this is Web3 Education and Investment. Please subscribe and like if you feel this video is useful. Thanks for watching.